Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Instagram profile a little more private and want to hide those account suggestions that pop up on profiles, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to hide account suggestions on profiles using the Instagram app on your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make this change. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see several icons, but you'll want to click on the one that looks like your profile picture. This is your profile icon. Clicking this will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually located near the top of your profile page, right next to your username and profile picture. Click on Edit Profile to open your profile settings. Inside the Edit Profile section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Show Account Suggestions on Profiles. This setting controls whether Instagram shows suggestions for similar accounts on your profile and on others' profiles when someone visits. To hide these suggestions, simply disable this option. You might see a toggle switch or a checkbox next to it. Click to turn it off. Once you've done this, Instagram will no longer display account suggestions on your profile or when others visit your page. After you've made this change, don't forget to save your settings. Look for a Submit or Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your changes. That's it. You've successfully hidden account suggestions from your Instagram profile on the PC app. This small adjustment can help keep your profile looking cleaner and give you a bit more privacy. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Instagram experience. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your newly customized profile.